Oh man. Okay guys, we are here today at Smoke and Fire Social Eatery here in Pomona. There's 3 locations, but we're on our way to Palm Springs, so we decided to stop at this location. There's one thing that I really want to try, and I'm gonna be eating it today. We're gonna eat, what are we gonna eat today?
I'm gonna eat burger.
What about you, Max?
French fries.
French fries for Max and smash burger for Jordan. Oh yes. Yep.
I have a McRib.
Oh, that's mine.
French
Dang.
That thing's massive. I have a better waffle fries?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you.
Maybe, where can we get extra napkins?
I can go
Okay, okay, thank you. Whoa, look at this. Oh my gosh.
$30. McRib, there's a rib.
Oh my, this is... All right, thank you so much. Let me see yours first. Yeah. Okay, so my wife, Burdette, and Pia got the brisket grilled cheese. Check that out. Brisket grilled cheese. Let's see what's inside. We got fried cheese, we got some pickles, some brisket, and some mac and cheese. I'm gonna give it a bite real quick. See how it tastes like. Where do I dig in? Oh, hot. Oh, that's really good. Mmm. That's really good. Got some tender brisket in there. And the sauce is really good. One more bite. Mmm. And that crispy cheese too. I also got this really big pretzel. Let's put the cheese on it. Look how big that pretzel is compared to my hand. Nice and thick. Comes with some cheese. Let's give it a try. How thick that is. And it's glistening. Oh yeah.
That's good.
That's a good pretzel. That's a really good pretzel. Has that nice pretzel chew. And the cheese is good too. That's a good pretzel. All right, guys, look what we have here. That's a really big sandwich. It has a beef dino short rib. There's some brisket in there, another toast, and then you got a smash burger on the bottom here. Oh man, that is huge. Ooh. I always see this on social media that they slide the bone out. That shows how tender it is. Okay, here we go. Oh, oh man. Wow. All right, guys. Set up to the bones. All right, let's see if I could actually hold this with my hands and actually bite it. Oh man. Can you take a picture of me? Like real quick? I forgot to take a picture. All right, gosh, look at this. All right, guys, let's see if I could attempt to take a bite of this big sandwich or burger. I don't know what you call it. There you go.
What mega french fry am I looking
man. There's so much going on. The bread is kind of hard to chew though, but everything else is really good. The burger, the smash burger is nice and juicy and cheesy. The brisket is tender. And this rib is just fall apart. Look at that, just fall apart. Oh man.
But I need some more, then I'll give you something else later, okay?
Is it beaver sandwich?
Oh man.
Beaver sandwich?
What's a beaver sandwich?
Beaver sandwich.
So good.
Peanut butter sandwich, yeah, peanut butter sandwich, yeah. I thought you said beaver. You want a beaver sandwich?
Peanut butter sandwich.
Oh man.
Free store.
There's no grilled chicken here. They're grilled chicken like this.
Just got to the fat part of the beef rib. Oh man, it's really messy. Whew, thing is dripping with fat juice on my hand. What do you think?
Just stuff on your face. Can you do this?
No,
I just bit into a really large amount of fat from the rib.
Ew. Weird.
this white thing. Oh, you
There's no way I could finish this, but it's so good. Oh man. Okay. Dang, look.
Watch.
Oh, I forgot to do a cross section here. Cross section. Look at all that meat. Oh man. Okay. Whew, that rib has a lot of fat in it. Okay. This is really good, but you could probably share this with 3 people. So I'm getting full already. This burger sandwich slash burger is definitely worth it. The sandwich itself is about $30, but definitely worth it. I'll be eating this for dinner tonight. Oh man. Really good, just can't finish it. It's just way too big of a sandwich, but it's so good. It's really good. It's worth it. Definitely, if you do plan to get it, maybe share it with 2 other people if you're not a big eater.